Hello and welcome to this unboxing video, and today I'm taking you through the unboxing process of the printer inkjet, the Brother inkjet printer. So take out all these items in the box, including the printer. So there you'll find the cables, ink, and these books, the manual books. Yeah. You remove all these wrappings. Yeah, you also remove the straps. You can see the refill point. Check if all the buttons are okay with the straps. Yeah, you must take out anything that is possible to take out, see if everything works okay. These are the guide, you must go through them, it's very important. Then you put in the ink as directed by the manual. Yeah, it has only 4 primary colors. Then you insert the CD. When you're installing, you use the CD installation. Also the internet is very important. You can see it's already downloading. You can insert the papers inside and test if the printer is working. Yeah, and there you go, you can see it's working.